Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today is February 8, 2024. So, Kung Hee Fat Soy to all the Filipino-Chinese in the country, in the Philippines. Supposedly, ang celebration sa Chinese New Year karon pang Sabado, February 10, 2024. Pero since tomorrow, gideclared sa Malacanang na holiday, so today is our last day sa office na for this week. So advance may nag-celebrate sa Chinese New Year. So since this is a celebration, we have food in the table. We have pancit, milk fish, egg, fruits, tikoy, red wine, juice. Then we have ampaw. May laman to ha? May laman to, pira. This is our Chinese bowl. Then we have also Chinese, this is Chinese candle. Ang pawala daw to siya sa malas, pangpataboy sa malas, lalo na sa mga taong makasalanan. Kung Hee Fat Soy, once again to all the Filipino Chinese in the Philippines. God bless us all.